The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Dr. Joseph Murphy. Chapter 16, Your Subconscious Mind and Harmonious Human Relationships. Profitable pointers to improving human relationships. Your subconscious mind is a recording machine that reproduces your habitual thinking. Think good of the other, and you're actually thinking good about yourself. A hateful or resentful thought is mental poison. Do not think ill of another, for to do so is to think ill of yourself. You are the only thinker in universe, and your thoughts are creative. Your mind is a creative medium. Therefore, what you think and feel about the other, you are bringing to pass in your own experience. This is the psychological meaning of the golden rule. As you would that others should think about you, think you about them in the same manner. To cheat, rob, or defraud another brings lack, loss, and limitation to yourself. Your subconscious mind records your inner motivations, thoughts, and feelings. When these are negative, loss, limitation, and trouble come to you in countless ways. What you do to the other, you are doing to yourself. The good you do, the kindness proffered, the love and good you send forth will all come back to you multiplied in many ways. You are responsible for the way you think about the other. Remember, the other person is not responsible for the way you think about him or her. Your thoughts are reproduced. What are you thinking now about the other person? Become emotionally mature and permit other people to differ with you. They have a perfect right to disagree with you, and you have the same freedom to disagree with them. You can disagree without being disagreeable. Just as animals are able to pick up fear vibrations, many people are just as sensitive. The thoughts you believe are hidden are actually broadcast by your voice, your facial expressions, and your body language. This is true both for positive and negative thoughts. Your inner speech, representing your silent thoughts and feelings, is experienced in the reactions of others toward you. Wish for the other what you wish for yourself. This is a key to harmonious human relations. Change your concept and estimate of your employer. Feel and know he or she is practicing the golden rule and the law of love. He or she will respond accordingly. Another person cannot annoy you or irritate you except if you permit him or her to. Your thought is creative. You can bless the other person if someone calls you an insulting name. You have the freedom to reply. God's peace fills your soul. Love is the answer to getting along with others. Love is understanding, goodwill, and respect for the divinity of the other. Have compassion and understanding for those whose negative conditioning has made them difficult and unpleasant. The divine spark is within them, just as it is within everyone. To understand all is to forgive all. Rejoice in the success, promotion, and good fortune of others. In doing so, you attract good fortune to yourself. Never yield to another's emotional scenes and tantrums. Appeasement never wins. Do not be a doormat. Adhere to that which is right. Stick to your ideal, knowing that the mental outlook that gives you peace, happiness, and joy is right, good, and true. What blesses you blesses all. All you owe any person in the world is love, and love is wishing for everyone what you wish for yourself: health, happiness, and all the blessings of life.